A spectator, is that a red card or a yellow?
It's just a melee.
Yeah, melee.
We'll have it now, we need it.
Don't leave it now. Leave it. Leave it. This is ridiculous.
It is, especially on a day like this.
It's been going all right.
No, I mean on a day like this, the fucking weather's been horrible. You good?
About getting supporters like I don't know if that falls into your remit or if that's a club thing.
It's a club thing.
Like Mickey's just trying to get the supporters behind the barriers basically. Because there were supporters grabbing our lads.
Isn't that your? Who's none of them are?
No, I think it's your supporters grabbing.
I was sitting over there. I'm not fucking getting involved. That's cracking.
Okay.
You're stupid. That might get involved.
You'll all laugh about it in the bar afterwards.
Yeah, probably.
I just want to shout.
Honestly,
Should look good, shouldn't it?
make sure you get that on your YouTube.
Until everyone gives you a congratulatory like,
Mm.
hug at the end.
Yeah.
Is that what you're doing it for?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Oh no.
Skipper.
Yeah, go on.
Boys,
Step back, boys, step back.
Can we make it quick? So I'm fucking cold.
Okay.
Don't mean to be rude.
I mean, what do you think we should do, gentlemen? This is your game. What do you think
I mean,
we
I
should
think
do?
it's been boiling over, but I reckon play.
I haven't got a clue.
How long have we got left, sir?
So we've got about 3 minutes.
I don't. Well, say fucking
3 minutes. Yeah.
How many shots can be made in 3 minutes?
Have a word.
Yeah.
It's a line out. It's a dead ball. Line out.